Hello? Yeah, can I speak to the chief, please? Not available? Well, look, I was just wondering if the rocket plan was still in action. You know, the rocket plan. Firing up that space station into orbit? Yeah, the one where we can just sit around. No, you know, luxurious lounges, plenty of room, great view of Earth, far enough away from any meddling governments. Yeah, still happening then? Yeah, right, we're leaving from that jungle base then, right? What? Relax, mate. No one's going to be listening in here. You really think someone's going to try and steal an entire rocket? You must be mental. Right. Yeah, I'll see you then. Hey, can you... Oh yeah, sure thing. Wait a minute.
Oh, Command, a guy just zipped right by me. I couldn't do anything about it. He's too fast.
Intruder? Who is that? Can we stop him, please?
But it's so hot.
Look, you're not allowed to change heads, alright? Now drop it.
But it's so hot.
Look, you're not allowed to change heads, alright? Now drop it.
But it's so hot.
Look, you're not allowed to change heads, alright? Now drop it. Getting on my nerves over here.
An intruder has been spotted on the premises. Keep your eyes peeled and stop him if you spot him.
He's headed straight for the rocket. Close the main door, immediately! He's riding straight up? What is this guy doing? Trying to steal our rocket?
We'll take care of this.
Oi, Chief. Got a clear shot here.
Yes, go ahead.
Emergency launch protocol activated.
He's hijacking the rocket!
four,
Right-hand man, where are you?
3,
I thought we had like...
two,
I thought we had a few more
1.
hours. Not on my watch. Welcome to
Stickman Space Resort. Built out of a former Toppat base, it's been refitted for your luxury enjoyment. We Toppats aboard have reformed and now work as crew members. The Toppats that remained on Earth were arrested, as you know. The resort is run by the man himself, Henry Stickman. You may wonder, why did he steal a criminal clan's rocket and decide to turn it into a resort? We may never know, but hey, you wouldn't be here if that didn't happen. Enjoy your stay.
So the plan's going through even without the chief?
Yes, we have all the goods loaded up on the train.
Ugh. I don't want to be on caravan duty.
Oh, it's not so bad. You get to sit on the train and hang out.
Are we meant to protect all our stolen valuables? All the money? All that?
Oh yes, I suppose that's true. We have all of our money in one cart. I suppose that's pretty important to protect.
Well, guess we better get going. Ugh. Oi, watch where you're going, muppet.
Mr. Macbeth, passenger car 3 has been smashed by a tank. We're under attack.
He's on the top of the train. Looks like he's headed towards the money cart. I'll gun him down. Okay, is everyone ready?
He got away. We can't follow through the tunnel.
Do I have to do everything myself? So you're the one causing all the trouble. I didn't expect to have to use this.
We can't get in.
Why don't we go at the back?
Oi! Huh. This is pretty bad.
No luck, boss. Can't find it anywhere.
And forget it, come back. Takeoff's more important.
Preparations are nearly complete. Should be able to launch within the hour.
Oh, this place is cool. So, this is the Top Hat Clan's secret base. Sign me up. Whoa, what happened to that guy?
Henry, you're back. I took charge in your stead. I hope you don't mind.
I'm Ellie. I'm new here. What are you guys up to?
Well, Henry, remember that orbital station idea we were talking about? We went ahead with that plan. We've got all of our assets in there already. Once the final preparations are complete, we'll be ready to launch into orbit. That should keep us far away from any governments trying to bring us down. We should be able to...
Chief?
Hey, what did I tell you about calling me that? Henry's the chief, remember?
Oh, okay, yeah. We're under attack.
You two, get to the rocket. Henry. 1, 2, 3.
The rocket is launching in 5 minutes.
Do something. Hands up! Just you wait till my friend gets here. Yeah, sure. We got a bogey inbound. Just you wait till my friend gets here. Yeah, sure. Just you wait till my friend gets here. Yeah, sure. Bomb has been planted. Isn't this an EMP? It's high noon. Hey.
It's the leader!
I was wondering when you'd show up. Time's up. Let's do this.
Ooh. Henry! Wow.
The rocket is launching in 1 minute.
We gotta hurry.
You guys need a ride?
Don't let him get through, man!
We've got company.
Don't let him get through, man!
We've got company.
Don't let him get through, man!
We've got company.
Don't let him get through, man!
We've got company.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, Henry's still down there.
I'll keep the door open as long as I can.
Come on, we gotta go.
Got you, Henry. You know, I could drop you right now and nobody would know. But why would I do that? I saw you out there. You put yourself on the line to save the Top Hat clan. You've truly earned my respect. I can't think of a better person to lead us. Thanks to Henry's efforts, we were able to establish our orbital station. Unfortunately, we lost quite a few members during the raid. With the station in orbit, we were able to raid any place on Earth with ease. Ellie was officially recruited into the Top Hat clan and given the rank Right-Hand Lady. Me and my right-hand man went on to become top operators in the clan, performing several successful operations.